Okay, let's dive in. We're looking at something really important but maybe overlooked. The air inside your own house.
Exactly, and how clean it is.
Today we're zooming in on duct cleaning, and specifically where you live, like in a coastal spot, say Squamish, BC, makes this super important.
That's right. We're digging into the info you sent over, especially from that website, Pacific Blue Mechanical. They really focus on why keeping vents clear matters so much in, well, damp places like Squamish.
Right, so the mission is, what are the big wins from cleaning your air ducts, especially there?
Okay, so Squamish, the big challenge is the coast. Lots of moisture in the air all the time.
Wow.
And that dampness means dust, pollen, pet hair, you name it. It builds up fast inside those vents. It gets sticky.
Sticky, right. So it's not just loose dust. And I guess that connects straight to health. Like, dirty vents push out dirty air.
Absolutely. That's the core issue. If you've got breathing problems already, maybe asthma or bad allergies, this makes it worse.
So cleaning the vents isn't just, nice to have. It's actually key for breathing healthier air indoors.
Definitely. And think about mold. With all that humidity.
Oh, yeah.
Dirty, damp vents are basically perfect breeding grounds for mold spores. Getting them professionally cleaned really yanks out that danger, stops the mold growing back right away.
Okay, so health is a huge one. But what about efficiency? Does cleaning actually help your heating and cooling system work better, save money?
It really does. Think about it. If your vents are clogged up with gunk, your HVAC system has to fight to push the air through.
Right, it's like it's blocked.
Exactly. It works way harder than it needs to. That means it uses more energy.
And more energy means higher bills. Simple as that.
Simple as that. Cleaning them lets the air flow freely, so the system runs easier, uses less power, and, well, saves you cash.
Makes sense. Now, the source material also mentioned safety. How does dust in vents become a safety issue?
Yeah, that's something people don't often think about. A thick layer of dust and debris, especially near the heating parts of your furnace. That can actually be a fire hazard. It's flammable stuff building up near heat.
Wow. Right.
So getting it cleaned out reduces that risk, makes your home safer.
Good point. So how often should people be doing this? Is there a standard rule?
Well, the general advice is usually every 3 to 5 years for a deep clean.
Okay.
But, like the Pacific Blue Mechanical site points out, if you have pets shedding hair or family members with serious allergies, or you just finished some dusty home renovations, you might need it done more often.
Right. Those things add extra load to the system.
Exactly. And that brings up how you clean it. Just vacuuming the vent covers yourself. That barely touches the problem.
I figured. You can't really reach deep inside, can you?
Not really. Professionals have, special tools, long hoses, powerful vacuums, rotating brushes, stuff that gets way down into the ductwork to pull out all that built-up grime, and, importantly, in Squamish, the damp stuff.
And the Pacific Blue Mechanical website, it talked about local knowledge being important, right? They had some stories.
Yeah, they did. They know the specific issues in the Squamish area because they work there. They mentioned a family near the river. Their allergy symptoms apparently got a lot better right after a cleaning. And someone else noticed their energy bills dropped noticeably.
So real-world benefits tied to that specific damp climate.
Definitely shows the local impact. So if we just kind of boil it down.
Yeah, the main takeaways.
Vent cleaning, especially somewhere like Squamish, means healthier air inside, less mold, fewer allergens. It means a safer home, less fire risk. And it saves you money through lower energy bills because your system works better.
Okay, clear benefits. So wrapping this up, what's one final thing for listeners to really keep in mind based on what we looked at?
Yeah, one crucial thing. Even after you pay for a professional deep clean, don't forget your air filters.
Ah, right, the furnace filters.
Exactly. If you stick a dirty, clogged filter back into that nice, clean system, you're basically pumping dust and allergens straight back into the air almost immediately.
Undoes all the good work.
Totally. So change those filters regularly, keep the whole system clean, not just the ducts.